Error code 0x83200100 on the PlayStation portal indicates a failure to establish or maintain a stable Wi-Fi connection between the portal and your PS5, preventing remote play. This issue commonly arises from network disruptions, incompatible settings, or occasional hardware hiccups. The PlayStation portal requires a robust Wi-Fi connection. For optimal performance, a 5 GHz network is preferred due to its lower latency. However, ensure compatibility, as older routers using WPA2 security protocols may cause issues compared to the more modern WPA3. The error fundamentally stems from mismatches in network protocols or interruptions in the Wi-Fi handshake between the portal and the PS5. This connectivity flag, in most cases, is resolvable without needing to replace the portal. To troubleshoot and fix error code 0x83200100 on your PlayStation portal, begin by restarting both your PlayStation portal and your PS5 console. This simple step can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Next, ensure both devices are running the latest firmware. Updates often include vital fixes for connectivity issues that can prevent this error from occurring. A stable internet speed of at least 15 Mbps for both upload and download is crucial, as the portal streams at up to 1080p 60 FPS and requires consistent bandwidth. Verify that your router settings are optimized for remote play. Ensure that UPnP is enabled or manually forward the necessary UDP ports 9295 through 9308 if required. Consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for your PS5 to bypass Wi-Fi interference entirely. This can provide a more stable connection for remote play. If problems persist and your region has ISP-related issues, you may need to contact your ISP or consider using a VPN as a temporary solution.